So yun guys, nakakita tayo ng lingkad, pero it's not season for lingkad this time of the year. Kasi November 11. Shoutout sa kapatid ko, kay ate, happy birthday. Yan. So yeah, it's at the same time it's not legal size kasi this one is less than I believe it's less than 65 cm. Tsaka hindi natin siya ikikip yan kasi nga hindi allowed. So release natin siya guys. Safety first muna tayo. So tanggalin natin yung niya. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord.